Give permission for more entertainment events in Clarendon. That's the appeal from councillors to the Clarendon Police at the latest meeting of the Municipal Corporation. But for the police, it's not that simple. The parish of Clarendon, sitting between Manchester to the west and St. Catherine to the east. For the first 3 months of the year, the parish has been festive with entertainment events. But for Councillor Cian Barneswell of the Hayes Division, it could have been better.
Recently in Rocky Point, White Sand Beaches have their carnival event, and they were not granted permit to keep the party on the beach. And I'm saying they're even going as far as to pay for police protection, police presence rather. And if you have police presence, why should it be so difficult then for permit to be granted to keep that event at an establishment which is widely recognized?
Inspector Graham Evangelist of the Clarendon Police promised to invite Councillor Barneswell to a meeting to discuss that specific issue. But generally speaking, the inspector says the police take decisions based on crime trends and intelligence.
If those areas are persons who want to keep those parties and those areas cannot be removed based on intelligence, then we suggest to the persons who are making the application to use another grounds which is very easy to be policed, easy to be manned, and we will not have any great difficulty.
From January to March, Clarendon recorded about 13 murders. 1 was gang-related and 9 were domestic disputes. Inspector Evangelist says the police will intensify efforts to maintain public safety while working with church groups and domestic violence centers to teach conflict resolution skills. Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, is hoping that latest crime data will help to free up locations for entertainment events.
Clarendon is now becoming what I call a party town. And so I am hoping that many of the areas that are now on lockdown, seeing that we are doing so well, you will loosen up, and so that we can see the true sense of the crime and violence really going down. Seeing that the citizens are now working with us, we're able to free up those areas so they can have their festivity too, because that's a big economic base for the parish.